2013 Cadillac ATS 4-cylinder turbo. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converter there, secondary converter there. Had a small resonator on it. We took it off and put a vibrant bottle muffler, part number 1794. There'll be a link in the description. Then we also we did a rear muffler delete. I'll show you guys the muffler. It's massive. It was like from here to here. And then, excuse me, a 4-inch blue flame tip. Because why not? It looks a lot better with it on there, as you guys can see. And go Preds. Where's the muffler? There's the muffler. And there's the resonator right there, the bottom one. That's the resonator, the white one. And that's a huge muffler that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it. I hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. Wow, the vibrant makes it so deep. Cadillac ATS. Muffler delete, vibrant in the middle. There's sound decibels. Again. 103. Go ahead and back it up. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. That sounds so good. Or a 4-cylinder too, guys. So there'll be links in the description for everything. We'll let you guys hear on the inside.